Axial Inductor. In this video, we will show you how to solder an axial inductor onto the PCB. Using the instruction manual, identify the correct component that you need to solder. Carefully remove the component from the packaging. Identify the correct location on the PCB using the manual and the PCB markings to help. With this inductor, the orientation is not important. It can be inserted either way around. Pull the inductor through the board as far as it can go. Holding it in place, turn the board over. Be sure that the inductor is flat on the PCB. Next, solder both of the inductor legs to the solder pads on the board. Use the soldering video for more information if you need more help.